The 3,000 square foot wood add-on furnace by England Stove Works is the workhorse of our stove family. Made in the USA from all American steel, this stove has a cast iron arched door with a large door glass and air wash system. The 3.5 cubic foot firebox can handle logs up to 20 inches long. And an extra large ash pan makes cleanup quick and easy. An 8-inch hot air outlet can feed into your home's ductwork, or it can dump the heat into a large area. A large blower controls the hot air. An outside air hookup provides fresh air for combustion. The XBT firebox is EPA certified and gives long, efficient overnight burns. England Stove Works wood stoves. American products, American people, American dependability.